How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of bruises fast tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So this actually happened to me not too long ago. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. So the first example is I had a bruise on my leg, my quad area. I bumped it on something, and the bruise, I'm not even kidding, was probably about this big. Very, very big bruise. So to get rid of bruises, what happened is a bruise forms because you've damaged the skin, usually by force, usually by something hitting it or a force happening to it. So for my example is I bumped it. There was something sticking out and I walked by it and I just smoked it on my leg, and it was so painful. But that's the force. That's what caused the skin damage. There's a force on my leg. What immediately happens is by damaging the skin, your skin's going to turn colored, skin discoloration, and you normally get the brown, the greenish, usually purple. And what I found happens is the skin is very, it hurts to touch because, again, the skin is damaged. So if you leave that bruise alone, it'll usually take 1 week to go away. 1 week. What I did is I really didn't want this big bruise on my leg. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do this little trick that I know. All you do is you get a spoon. All you do is you rub the area. So if I had a bruise right here on my arm, what I would do is I would get a spoon and I would just rub the area back and forth like this for 5 minutes straight. So just going like this for 5 minutes. What this does is that spoon, by rubbing it back and forth, it creates blood flow. So what you're doing for 5 minutes straight is you're getting blood moving through that area. And what this does is this speeds up the healing time tremendously because we're getting blood to flow through the damaged area. Without doing this trick, blood flow is limited. With a bruise, blood flow is limited. You still have blood flow, obviously, it's just limited, and that's why it takes about a week to heal. But you can heal it easily in 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes, bruise is gone day. And that's what happened with me. I did that trick on my leg, 5 minutes of rubbing. I think I might have to do another 5 minutes too, but yeah, in 10 minutes, completely gone. That's what I recommend to do. Now on the flip side, I bumped my toe too, so I'm always stubbing my toe or my leg or whatever. So I had to, like, my toe was purple, like almost the whole toe was purple, and I didn't do anything because it's my toe, right? I wear a sock. So I left it and it's finally gone away. This happened last Monday. So yeah, it takes about a week if you leave it alone. But yeah, do my trick. I guarantee you it will work for you. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.